Hi. After checking all the capabilities of a manager, we're going to now see what a manager can do, how a manager can manage the blocks and the Moodle layout of a course. So we're going to check here courses. I'm going to go into manager practice area because that allows me to have access to certain capabilities. So I'm going to turn editing on here, and this will show me what all capabilities I have. Well, how I can manage, how I can show to my students what the platform will look like. I can add a block here. Let's see what the options are, because these options will appear on the course I want my students to see. So let's say I want to add upcoming events. So upcoming events will show here. This must be some previous activity, some previous event somebody has already posted. I can, with this little cross, I can move it around to be shown, to be presented on the page as a footer, left and middle or right, or I can also scroll it, drag it to the other side, to the, here, let's see. Yeah, see, I moved it to the left-hand side of the page. I also can drag it back. Let's see, where to go? Here, to the top of the page, but to the right-hand side of the page. And adding a block then, it really has to do with what you want your students to see, or whatever activities you are willing to post on your page, on your course. Okay, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching.